Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Husqvarna FX 450. This open class dirt bike racer just arrived in beautiful condition. It's got a really cool gray plastic kit with some graphics, beautiful service hand guards, brand new rear tire, lots of carbon fiber parts, FMF exhaust. We have all the stock bodywork in white. Come on by and make your big board dirt dreams come true. Only $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.